Let's see how much money I spent on Starbucks alone in 2019. I spent that much money on Starbucks? Holy shit. Hey guys, what's up? I'm Seth. This is Modestly Minimal. And if you haven't been able to tell from the thumbnail, the title, and the beginning of this video, it's all about coffee. Now, in 2019, I was working as a police officer full-time back on the East Coast in Virginia. My morning ritual was going to Starbucks with my sergeant. We would sit down, start our shift with a coffee. And the coffee that I drank at the start of every shift, and my wife and I would go to Starbucks on our days off as well. And that drink is an iced venti vanilla latte. So it's a venti in size, it has oat milk, it has 4 shots of quad ristretto espresso, it has 2 pumps of vanilla, and light ice. And that cost me $8.26. Now, if I drank that drink 5 days a week, which one week I worked 5 12s, the next week I worked 2 12s, I would spend $2,147.60 in a year. But that was my drink 7 days a week, every day. And in a year, I spent $3,006.64. That is a ton of money. That's a cheap car. That's a down payment on a nice car. And so looking at Starbucks and how much the average person spent, I looked at what some of their most popular drinks was. And the cold brew, so their biggest size cold brew with vanilla sweet cream cold foam is $5.13. 5 days a week. In a year, that brings you out to $1,333.80. 7 days a week, that's $1,867.32. Cafe mocha with 4 shots of espresso, that's my go-to. I need a lot of caffeine. That is $8.37. 5 days a week, $2,176.20. 7 days a week in a year, $3,046.68. Now, their cheapest drink, coffee-wise, that I could find is the Pike Place Roast. Their biggest size is $3.19. So, 7 days a week, if that was your coffee, 7 days a week at the cheapest, you would spend $1,161.16. It's not too terrible, but for a regular black drip coffee, that's a lot of money. So you're probably asking yourself, okay, you spent that much money on Starbucks. I mean, you spent over $3,000 a year. And that was just for me. That wasn't my wife's coffee. She got coffee 7 days a week as well. And I haven't even done the math because I really don't want to know. So before we started traveling, we knew that we weren't going to be able to get coffee, like good espresso-based coffee, just anywhere that we were. So we invested in a Nespresso machine. We have the Nespresso Vertuo Next, and we absolutely love it. Now, this is kind of where sometimes in life you have to put a little bit of money in at first to reap the rewards later. And so that's what we did. We spent $200 on our machine, and then we spent about another $50 on pods. So about $250 is what we had to put in first. Now, breaking down the coffee you saw me make in the beginning. Remember, whoa, that was hard to say. The coffee I drank from Starbucks was $8.26. The exact same coffee breaks down to this much. A sleeve of 10 pods, I use the Chiaro, the double shot espresso. It's kind of a medium to dark roast. It's $11 for 10 pods. So, because I use 4 shots, that's $2.20. The oat milk I use is Silk oat milk. That's $3.69 for 64 ounces. So that comes out to about 87 cents per cup. The Torani vanilla syrup is 750 milliliters. And in good old American forms of measurement, that's about 50 tablespoons in that bottle. And that's $5.28. And that comes out to about 11 cents per cup. I use 1 tablespoon. So my grand total is $3.18. The cheapest coffee that I could find at Starbucks for a decent coffee is $3.19. So my same coffee that I was paying $8.26 for is a penny less than Starbucks' cheapest coffee. And I think this is way better. Now, if you're a coffee snob and you're only drinking, shots that are poured from the best machine and hand grinded beans and all this stuff, then you're probably not going to enjoy an espresso. Because most people like to gatekeep what they like to gatekeep. So if you're like me and you enjoy good coffee, but you understand that not everybody has an hour in the morning to go out and roast their own beans and make their own coffee on the side of a cliff in Guatemala, then espresso is, it's there. In a year, I now spend $1,157.52. If you don't like espresso and you want to drink coffee, they have right now, you can get 40 pods for $48. If you drink that 7 days a week, that brings you up to $436 in a year. That's incredible. The warranty on this machine is amazing. Ours broke. We called them. We told them what happened. 3 days later, we had a brand new machine. They paid for shipping to take the old one back. You absolutely cannot beat that. Okay, so you've now chosen to not get Starbucks every day, and you've chosen to spend a little bit of money to buy an espresso machine and start making your own coffee at home. Well, that's awesome. But you're saying, Seth, why did you make this video if you can't give us something? Okay, so here's the deal. In the description below, I have a referral code. It's not like an affiliate link or anything like that. It's just every person who has an espresso account gets this kind of referral-esque program. So if you decide to buy a machine, use the link down below, the promo code, and put that towards your new machine. You will get $40 off any machine, so that takes a $200 machine down to $160, and you get a free capsule dispenser. I don't even have one of those. We just store them in a cabinet. So that's completely free. What we get in return is just $10 towards any of our coffee pods. And that goes a long way. So if you like this video and you want to buy an espresso machine, just make sure to use that link, that code down below. Get yourself $40 off a machine. And let me know down below if you have your own Nespresso machine and what you think of it. I'd love to hear from you. If you like today's video and you like this style of video, give me a thumbs up. That lets me know what kind of content I should continue making and what I shouldn't make. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and I will see you in the next video. Cheers.